living. Hi everyone, if you believe in healthy living, this video is for you. Eating right, having a healthy diet, this video is for you. Today I will be making a vegetable salad packed with a lot of antioxidants. Flaxseed, yes, flaxseed also have antioxidants and vitamins. First, I will chop some green vegetables, some lettuce. I have gone washing them and making sure that they're clean and ready for cutting. So I cut my lettuce, then I use one of the peelers and basically shred the carrots. Yes, as you can see, I'm shredding enough because I'm making lunch and I have to share it for two while I'm adding it to one bowl. Then next I shred carrots. Use my grater to shred the carrots. I don't know why I have it in the ear, in the ear. Now that I put it down, I will shred this cabbage way better. There you have it. Shredding the cabbage, and I'm gonna add it to the bowl with the carrot and the lettuce. Next, I will cut two tomatoes. I cut them fine, dice them basically, and add them to the bowl. Also, tomatoes are good for you. It is juicy. It is good for cancer. And this meal that I'm preparing, it will be great for cancer patients. After which, I have onions. I do not like to bite on onions unless they are cooked. So this is what I am doing. I am shredding the onion fine. Then I will also use the same grater and shred the garlic. Yes, it's vegetable, but you have to season up your vegetables just like how you would season your meat. Not exactly, but you use less season on the vegetables. So there you have it. Now I'm gonna add some vinegar to the onion and the garlic before I add it to the bowl. Give it the vinegar will give it a nice little flavor. Now I have apples. I'm also gonna add apple to my salad. Yes, yes. Apples are good also, and it will help with the taste of the salad because the apple is not sour, it is sweet, but this is natural sugar. After which I will also add cranberries, some original cranberries. Up next I will add black pepper. Yes, after black pepper I will add some crushed pepper. This will give it a little oomph. Let it taste good. Now I'm adding the vinegar with the garlic and the onion. Yes, that's some nuts I am gonna have on the side. I was gonna add the nuts, but I said on second thoughts, I said no. The nuts in the vegetable. Now I'm drizzling some honey over it. You don't have to, especially for the cancer patients. You don't need honey on your salad. You can use olive oil instead. There I add some flaxseed. Flaxseed are great also, packed with antioxidants and it's good for helps with your gut. So after which I will stir or mix, combine all the ingredients. And guys, this tastes good. I'm gonna have this vegetables, which is healthy, and those nuts, which are almonds, pistachio, cashew, and what am I leaving off? Pecans and hazelnuts. If you have come this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe and like. Thank you.